Hello! Today I'm making my first video in my favorites collections. I'm going to make a video collection talking about my favorite colored pencil, watercolors, markers, and all the stuff that I use. I have 3 pots of my favorite colored pencils. And because, as you can see, it's quite a lot, I'm going to divide it in different videos. And today I want to dive into my favorite blue colored pencils. So they are in this pot. So the first step that I'm going to do is divide greens and blues out of the pot. And then we are going to swatch them. And here is one of my favorites already because it's so tiny, and it's actually the only tiny pencil that I have, and I have 2 of these tiny pencils in the same color, so I use this one a lot. Let me get my blue pencils. The blue colors, and I guess you can see that I like teals. Let me get my sketchbook and then we can start swatching them. Start with my favorites, which are the Luminance. And let's just start with this one. And this one is a dark indigo. And this is definitely one of my all-time favorites. As I said before, I have 2 of these tiny pencils, and it's the only tiny pencil that I have that is so small. Another Luminance is this one. This is a hard name. Chrysoco blue. Oh, blue Chrysoco. I don't know, but this is the color. And it is another teal color that is a bit more on the bluey side. And sometimes you have with the Luminance pencils that they are a bit scratchy. This one is a bit scratchy. Another Luminance pencil. This is called Light Cobalt Blue. Bold blue. If you see me make mistakes in spelling, please just ignore them. I tend to make a lot of mistakes, but that's okay with me. Light cobalt blue. And this is one of my favorite light colors. I use this one a lot. Then this is blue Janine Cobalt Blue. Another lovely color, and it's in a same tint as that one. Very nice color. Then this is malachite green, but in my book this is a blue. I think this is a teal, but I can imagine it's like, oh, it's greener than I thought. Yes, this is a green. This is not a blue. This is a green. But still, it's a nice color. I'm going to put it in my pot. The last Luminance in the blue colors is light ferrite green, and I know that I think this is a blue. Light malachite green. Yeah, this I think is a blue. It's like a super beautiful, bright, light teal color. And I really love these kind of colors. I have quite a lot of teals because I just enjoy using teal a lot. I think this is a stunning color to use. So I have 4 blue Luminance colors, and you can see what kind of blues I like. Then let's go to, actually the other ones are all Derwent. So let's get this one, and this is a Creta color. It's the only color I have in this sword. And then turquoise dark. And I guess you could also say that this is a green, though I really like it as a blue color, and it's super waxy. I do not have a pencil sharpener for this one, so if you have any tips what pencil sharpener I should get to sharpen this one, let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know which of these blue colors is your favorite, or what colored pencil brand is your favorite. And if you have any recommendations, also I like to hear it in the comments down below. Move on to Derwent. Let's do that on the other side. Let's start with my favorites, the light fast. Then we're going to start with light aqua. Beautiful color. My dyslexia kicking in, drawing a P instead of a Q. Light aqua, and it's very light. It's almost like white with a hint of a blue, but it's very bright, and I really enjoy using this one. Then another teal, because you know I like my teals. Turquoise green. This is my favorite turquoise out of all of the turquoisey colors that I have. It's just super beautiful and bright. Love that one. Then this is the dark indigo. So the same color name as this one, but this is lighter. But it's still like a nice color to have. But it's just not as vibrant as this one. This is way deeper, and this is my favorite pencil, so Of course, this is not winning, but it's a beautiful color. But this one is just so dark and very, it kicks. Ocean blue. I love this color. Then I'm going to put this drawing one here. So this is Derwent drawing, just putting a D there, and it's called Ink Blue. Another very pretty, deep, dark colored pencil. Then I have one graphite tint. I'm going to put a G and C. And this is Ocean Blue again. Again, I like my teals. This is a different texture, and you can also water this one down. I'm going to get some water, so you can water it down. A nice color. Then I have 3 Colorsoft pencils. I have the full set of Colorsoft pencils, and then I have 3 which I think are my favorite, and that is why they are here. First one is gray green. Maybe because I have so many green pencils. Here are my green pencils. I put some of my blue pencils or some of my green pencils in the blue side, because I just have so many greens. I like this one a lot. Then indigo, but not the dark one, but a lighter one. And this is very bright indigo. Not really what I would consider an indigo. When you compare it to this one, this is like black, and this is very vibrant blue. And then last we have sea green, so another blue with the name green, with green in the name. And this is a very nice teal, darker teal, more moody teal color. So now when I look at this, I can see that I actually don't really have that many blues. I have like maybe 3 very blue blues. This one, and this one. Then I have some darks, which are almost black. And a lot of teals or green blue colors. But you can also see that in my work, so it really doesn't surprise me that much. But here are all of my blue colors, and now I see that this is missing a T. Yeah, let me know which is your favorite blue pencil, and if you have any recommendation for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. You can leave a comment or a like. It helps me to spread the content. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next favorite videos. Bye!